happy birthday, Daddy. We thank God for another opportunity to celebrate you on this great day. We thank God for the day that God announced that you are a choice servant. Daddy, you are a blessing to us. You are a blessing to us. We thank God for your life, for showing us what is possible to be done through God, for leading us in the path of the ways of the things of God. Daddy, we love you. Thank you for being God's general in our life. And in our generation, you are a trailblazer and a pathfinder, a father to many, not just us, but you are a father to all. Daddy, thank you for the heart that you have. You have a large heart, a very large heart, and embrace everyone. Thank you. You have shown us and you have taught us that you cannot chase after God and you will not end up well. Thank you for showing us the way. Thank you for leading us. You are indeed a father. And you are indeed a man of God. And above all, you are a lover of God. Thank you for being a husband to our mother. Thank you for showing us what good marriage looks like. We love you, Daddy. We love you. We love you. And on this day, we celebrate you. And our prayer for you is that God will continue to take you higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Again, Daddy, happy birthday. We love you. We love you. Thank you, Daddy. We love you.